Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick Hytale server. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. This is the most vanilla way, where you just join the world. Then from here you can just join the world right here again for the multiplayer. Make sure that you load in. And since you will be the one starting the server, you will need to make sure that your internet speed is pretty good. So you can just go to any speed test website and make sure that you have a high download speed. Once that is done and you're in here, then you're going to click on escape. Then you're going to click on online play. Then you're going to enable allow other players. You can set any password you would want. And then from here, you're going to make sure that they are all allowed. And then from here, once you have that done, you're going to then click on save. And now from here, you can add now whatever code you would like at the end. So for example, here we can add gummy. And then from here, you can see then once we have it at the end, you're going to copy it. And then once we have that, we can send it to our friends, which then we're going to all go to the quit to main menu. And so we're going to click on worlds, servers. And so they would like to just add the server, so they can either direct connect or they can join via code and they can paste it right here. And so they're going to join it directly. But you need to be online once they join it, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.